Waste packaging directive is now a hot topic in Europe and elsewhere because it will have the impact on that how we refer and relate to the packaging all across the European Union. So what I would like to stress here is that this is the directive that is addressing the waste streams that are those that should be used as resources and not anymore as a waste. So the whole story, from my perspective, around that is really that we understand that whatever we throw away is material that still has value. And if we are talking about the packaging, it is about whether it is a glass, whether it is a paper, whether it is a plastic, all that can be well reused and then turn into the cycle, so not wasted.
The European Commission has been proposing to the European Parliament and to the Council to reduce the waste, because if we don't do anything now, we will have 19% more waste by 2030. And the idea is to make packaging reusable and recyclable so that we can keep the value of these materials for as long as possible in the economy. By doing this, we reduce emissions of CO2, we combat climate change, we make our industry more resilient because it can use existing materials instead of always extracting resources.
PPWR is a very important legislation because moving more towards a circular economy is critical. The development is not so great. Only a few years ago, in 2018, 9.1% of the economy was circular. Today, that's only 7.2%, so that's going in the wrong direction. Now, PPWR is focusing on a number of things. It's about reducing waste, it's about using more recycled materials, and about recycling rates. And those are critical to drive the circular economy. How it will impact our industry? In multiple ways. First of all, we need to look at recycling rates. Now, in paper and cardboard, recycling rates are already over 80%, 82% to be precise. To compare it to, for instance, other materials like plastic, that's around 32% in Europe, but only 9% worldwide. Recycling is really critical. PPWR is addressing a very complex matter because recycling and reuse are difficult. It's very important we look at a case-by-case basis and then apply scientific calculations and life cycle assessments to make sure we make the right decisions. But we fully support the direction this is going.